Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am the mathematics teacher, I will excel. We are on a new edition. We have finished our addition and subtraction in a single file. We are now combining the addition and subtraction of fraction today. Thank you for being in here. I welcome my great parents that bring their children to my channel. I welcome my great subscribers. I thank you very much, especially those of you that are in grade 6. You know, we are preparing for our standard 6 examination, and we are required to show full working in everything we are doing. So if you follow my channel very well, you learn how to show full working. Especially today in this one, I was careful about picking the number of the question I'm going to try today, because this is the type of question that might stop you along the way. And the thing that will make you stop, you're going to see the secret now, and you're not going to stop. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Can we go into the lesson? Thank you. Okay, I told you that the first thing we are going to do as we come into this type of work is to find the LCM. The LCM. So the LCM of 8, 12, and 36. 8, 12, and 36. We start with the number 2. 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3, 9, 2, 1, 3, 9, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 24, 24 times 3 will give us 72. Give us 72. Good. Okay. 72 divided by 8 times 7. 72 divided by 12 times 5 plus 72 divided by 36 times 3. Okay. 72, the LCM again. Okay. 72 divided by 8 will give you 9. 9 times 7 minus 72 divided by 12 will give you 6. 6 times 5. Okay? 72 divided by 36 will give you 24. Sorry? 72 divided by 36 will give you 2, sorry. Give you 2, 2 times 3. Okay? Now the LCM remains 72. 9 times 7 will give you 63. 63 minus 6 times 5 will give you 30. 30 plus 2 times 3 will give you 6. So 63 minus 30 will give you 33. Will give you 33. Okay. 33 plus 9 plus 6 will give you 39. Give you what? 39. Okay. 39 over 72. 39 over 72. Then you look at it. You don't leave your answer like this. You check. Is there anything that will divide up and divide down? Because when you get to the option in the answers, you might not see 39 over 72. You might not see it. You always reduce it and write the correct answer. But you will get 39 over 272. You will be looking for the option in the answer. You will not get it. So we're going to reduce it to its lowest 10. So what will go? 3. 2 cannot go. 3 can go. So 3 divide this will give me 1. Divide this will give me 3. 3 divide this will give me 2. Dividing this will give me 4. That's why we got 13 over 24. And that's the answer you see in the option. You cannot see 39 over 72. Okay. Let's go to the number 2. Let's find the LCM of 8, 4, and 2. 8, 4, and 2. The number 2 will start. Good. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So the LCM here is 8. We have 8. Okay? Remember, this one is having whole number. So 3 plus 6 minus 5. 3 plus 6 minus 5. Okay. 3 plus 6 will give us 9. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. Okay, we have 4 whole number. Now, 8 divided by 8 times 7 plus 8 divided by 4 times 3 minus 8 divided by 2 times 1. Good. The LCM remains 8. 8 divided itself, the whole number is still there. 8 divided itself will give us 1. 1 times 7 will give us 7. 1 times 7, okay, plus 8 divided this will give us 2. 2 times 3, okay, minus 8 divided this will give us 4 times 1, okay. The whole number is still there. 1 times 7 will give us 7. 2 times 3 will give us 6. 4 times 1 will give us 4. Okay, the whole number is still there. Okay, 4 whole number. 7, the whole number is there. 7 plus 6 will give us 13. Okay, 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is going to give us 9. So we have 9 over 8. 4 whole number, 9 over 8. See, 9 is bigger than 8. You cannot leave it like that. You are going to do something. You are going to change 9 over 8 to mixed fraction. 8, how many 8 is inside 9? Is 1. Okay, remainder 1. So we have one whole number 1 over 8, and that is 4 plus 1 plus 1 over 8. And the final answer is what? 5. Sorry, the final answer will give us 5 whole number 1 over 8, because 4 plus 1 will give us 5. Then the fraction remains the fraction. The final answer here is 5 whole number 1 over 4. Let's get to the last one. Let's find the LCM. 5, 8, and 2. 5, 8, and 2. 2 cannot go. 2, 2, 5. 2 times 2, for 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5. 8 times 5 will give us 40. Good. And the whole number is there. 4 minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 will give us 1. 1 plus 4 will give us a whole number of 5. So we say 40 divided by 5 times 1. 40 divided by 8 times 5. 40 divided by 2 times 1. Okay. 40 still here. Whole number is still here. 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. 8 times 1 minus 40 divided by 8 here will give us 5. 5 times 5. Good. Plus 40 divided by 2 will give us 20. 20 times 1. Okay. So we still represent the LCM and the whole number there. 8 times 1 will give us 8 minus 5 times 5 will give us 10 minus 20 times 1 will give us plus 20 times 1 will give us 20. Okay. Can you see it now? 8 cannot minus 10. 8 cannot minus 10. So you have to borrow 1 from here, and it remains 4. And you give it to this person, calling it 40. When you give it to this whole number, this 8, it calls 40. Okay, it becomes 48 minus 10. 48 minus 10. That will give us 38. That will give us what? 38 plus 20. 38 plus 20 will give us 58. Will give us what? 58. And that will give us 58 four whole number, because 4 is remaining. 4 whole number. 4 is remaining. 4 whole number. 58 over 40 will come again. See? The numerator is also bigger than the denominator. So we're going to change it to make fraction again. When we change it, it becomes 1, because only 140 can we get here. And when we get that 140, what is remaining is 18. 18 over 40. Not only that, we got 18 over 40. We will still reduce it to its lowest term. So what we got was 4 plus 1 plus 18 over 40. Can you see that? Something can still divide. If you leave your answer like this, you will not see it in the option. So 2 divide here will give us 9. 2 divide here will give us 20. So the final answer here is 5 whole number 9 over 20. The final answer is 5 whole number 9 over 20. That's what you're going to see in the option. If you stop there, you're not going to see the answer in the option. You must reduce it to its lowest term so that you make sure you see the answer and also to get your mark. This is where we come to the end of this edition of addition and subtraction of fraction brought together. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot today. I would like to know the country you're watching from. Tell me your name. Write on my comment line the problem you are seeing in my teaching, and any topic you find difficult in mathematics. I would like to know so that I can help you out, especially those of you that are going for your external examination. I love to see you through in your mathematics proficiency. Thank you very much. See you next time in my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.